Today is Friday, November 21st. I hope everybody's having a good day, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever's going on in your life today. I hope you're having a good day. And I wanted to share with you some information today about something called the Monarch Wallet. The Monarch Wallet is something I've been following up on for almost 2 years now, I guess, since I got started. I first heard about it on another YouTuber's channel, and I've been following Robert Beadles, the president, ever since. I thought his project was an awesome project. I've been watching it come through step by step since the very beginning. I've communicated with Robert Beadles several times, and given some input here and there. Some of it I'm sure he didn't like. Some of it I'm sure he appreciated. Some of it I'm sure he's probably heard a million times before. So I want to go over and explain to you a little bit about this wallet, because I think it's something that you should really have, something I personally believe in, and something I think you should have in your arsenal of ways to keep your crypto secure and be able to use your crypto. And one of the best apps out there, in my opinion. There's going to be a lot of things coming down the pipe, as time goes on, as technology grows. And Monarch, it's definitely been fitting that bill. It's been coming along and growing quickly. One thing I've heard Beatles say before is that he doesn't want to release something that's not going to perform properly. So he would rather hold it back a little while and rework it and make it work right before releasing it and having it not work. So, and then having to deal with the complaints and fixing it later. So, although some of their rollouts may have been may have taken a little longer than originally anticipated, they've always delivered. And obviously, the quality of the work that they've done on this wallet has been outstanding. One app to access all of the best crypto services from the palm of your hand. You can download it from the website right here. Monarch combines all your favorite blockchain services in one place. You all know that I'm really big on DeFi, decentralized finance, and finding ways to take control over your own funds, your own money, and not have to deal with the banks as much. And Monarch is a big step in making that happen. It's been seen on Bitcoin.com, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Reuters. You can see several big names here you recognize. They now have recurring crypto payments. They're accepting cryptocurrency payments on a recurring subscription basis. So if you have payments that happen every month and that you need to take care of, you can set up your Monarch wallet to go ahead and make those payments for you on a regular basis, on a scheduled time and a scheduled date, using your crypto to make your payments. Really cool service. They believe in delivering tech and not hype. And I do believe that. It does stand behind that. The Monarch wallet is a universal decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that allows you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can use fiat from your bank account. You can buy Bitcoin Cash with your credit card. You can store and send and receive Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, Stellar, GoChain, TrueUSD, Litecoin, Neo, and Gas, all ERC20 tokens, all SLP tokens. Basically, what this boils down to, guys, is you can hold, at one point I heard him say over 1,900 cryptocurrencies on this wallet. I do believe that's probably gone up since then. So it is very versatile. There are a lot of tokens. Chances are, if you can't find the token or the coin in this wallet, there's a good chance you probably don't need it. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. But I kind of think that's a fair enough statement, although I'm sure I will regret that later. Someone will come back and find me a token that's not in there and make me wish I hadn't said that. So for that person, I do apologize already ahead of time, but Monarch has really gone out of their way to step up to the game and make sure they can take as many coins and tokens as they can, and they're always adding to their arsenal of coins and tokens that they're able to accept. Having one KYC, know your customer, for all services is really convenient. When you log in, you're able to just use one login to access all of the services within the wallet. Having used the wallet myself, you do have to go through a couple KYC processes to be able to get the wallet to work. But once it's all up and working properly, which isn't difficult, it just requires, they have partners, so they work with other banks, with other banking type entities, financial entities, and you have to do KYC for each of those individual entities. I had to do it twice, so it's not a big deal. But once that was all said and done, and everything was verified, I'm able to now earn interest on my crypto. I'm able to buy and sell crypto through my wallet. Coming in the future, you will be able to take out a loan on your crypto. It's, as it says here, it's currently in development and launching soon. They partnered up with Celsius Network. They have a program that you can sign up your crypto with and earn interest. And they have partnered with Monarch Wallet so that once you put the cryptos, not all cryptos, but cryptos that they do allow interest for, you're able to earn the interest right within the Monarch Wallet. So you can also trade your ERC20 and via their ERC20 DEX. They have a decentralized exchange built into the wallet. You can track your gains and losses. Now, Windows and Mac OS features, these will be coming soon here, as it states, tracking your gains and losses in the DEX. They're a little bit slower rolling out with the Windows version than they are with the Android and the Apple iOS. More people use the other apps, which is why. But they will get the Windows and the Mac OS features up and running soon as well. It's all part of the evolution of the wallet and the part of the process. You can review market data for most of your cryptocurrencies, keep up to date on blockchain and cryptocurrency news, maintain control over your private seed and keys. This is a big one for me. You've all heard me say before, not your keys, not your crypto. Well, when you have your crypto in a Monarch wallet, you maintain control over your private seed and keys, and I like that. You can sync with their compatible desktop apps. Qualified users can now earn interest with crypto. That's what I was talking about, doing KYC with their earn interest program. You can now earn interest on your crypto. So you, as Robert Beatles likes to say, become the monarch, the ruler of your own financial kingdom, and you have that right in the palm of your hand. As you can see, iOS download, Android, Mac OS, and Windows downloads are all right here on the website. We have several problems in the cryptocurrency world where there's too many apps to do too many different things. Well, in this particular case, we're able to pull it all together and put a lot of it into one location, making it a lot easier. Separate app for every cryptocurrency wallet, service, and blockchain. On average, crypto users need 9 apps. Imagine if you needed an app for every stock that you own. I can attest to this. I actually do have several wallets. Most of them are empty and don't have anything in them at this point because since I've found Monarch Wallet, I haven't really needed them. But I had signed up for them previously, and I've been able to empty them out because of Monarch. There's no simple, safe, decentralized crypto solutions on the market. Exchange and SIM cards exploit your funds at risk. Not your keys, not your Bitcoin. This is a quote by Andreas Antonopoulos, somebody else I also follow. And if you haven't looked him up yet, it wouldn't do you any harm to do so. He's been around since the beginning of Bitcoin. He's a computer scientist, and he knows the ins and outs like nobody else I've ever heard and seen. I really respect his work that he does within the crypto space, much so like I do with Beatles here in the Monarch Wallet with what he's done with this wallet. It's quite impressive, actually. Each service requires a separate KYC login. Not with Monarch. With Monarch, everything goes through one KYC process. Once you've done it in the app and you open up the app in the future, you're already logged in. You don't have to KYC each time you want to go in to use the different services within the app. Very, very nice, time saving. Keeps it all in one place. It's one app to access them all. We've all seen the new economic model that has been making big headlines here and big money for people. In 2010, Uber owned no cars, Airbnb owned no hotels, Netflix created no shows and movies, Amazon created no merchandise, and Facebook created no content. The whole modern economic model, it's providing value to people by leveraging third-party services, and Monarch has really figured out the secret to that, I guess, if you will. Introducing the Monarch motor, which allows for easy access and onboarding of new users, easy app and service integration for developers. And with over 315,000 users, Monarch has partnered and will continue to partner with the top blockchain projects to provide users with the best services in one simple app. Here's a little infographic showing you all the different types of services that are possible and that are involved with Monarch: news, storage, fiat gateways, games, DEX, interest wallets, buying and selling. More to come, and they all run through the motor of Monarch. So once you're logged in, you're able to access the different services through that Monarch motor. How do they do it? Well, they stopped reinventing the wheel. They don't need to create all of the services themselves. They realize that, you know, having partners and plugging partners into the service can do everybody well. So they introduced the Monarch Blockchain Alliance, bringing together all these different companies and organizations to figure out the best ways to do that. Monarch is great for users, merchants, and partners. It's a win-win for everybody. Users get access to all the partners and all of their different applications. Merchants, you know, they get access to the users as well as the partners. You know, and partners, they're getting access to the users and merchants. Everybody kind of feeding off each other, creating this entire economic model where not everybody has to do everything, but each person does their part. And round it goes, and it's been working out really well for them. They do have several different types of tokens. They have tokens for accredited investors, the MTS security tokens for qualified and approved accredited investors only, and you can receive dividends off of that if you are an accredited investor. They have utility token airdrops, STO and ICO launch platform. Monarch will be launching their own STO and ICO launching platform. But as I stated, Robert Beatles prides himself on doing things the right way. They're pending FINRA and SEC approval on these before they move forward. Their vision, he's got a big vision. And, if you ever meet him, if you ever get the opportunity to meet him, it's a humbling experience. It really is. He's got a vision to bring the world's best crypto services and companies to one safe and easy to use place, and that would be the Monarch Wallet. Here you can see their roadmap starting out with Q2 of 2018, working their way through on up to where we are now. Token distribution, they just did their token distribution. They got their universal KYC figured out. They've got their Bitcoin Cash integrated. Now they're working on exchange listings, additional coin supports, crypto loans, merchant fiat support. So there's a lot of things coming up, and they're moving right along with their roadmap, and been meeting most of their goals. Although Robert Beatles has stated, and I think I said earlier, that, you know, he'd rather have something come out a little bit late than have it come out and not work. So if they're a little bit behind, it's okay. Because they keep making progress. Sneh here, he's the CEO of Cryptosomniac and digital crypto marketing and media agency mogul. He assisted 70+ crypto projects, Drexel University, BS in engineering, systems engineer for Johnson & Johnson's and several other Fortune 500 companies, and he's also a programmer. Really neat guy. I've watched some of his videos. I've never had the chance to actually meet him. Very smart guy. Very smart guy. This is Robert Beatles. You've heard me mention him all throughout the video. I just recently got a chance to meet with him. He's the CEO of Splash Factory Blockchain Development, created numerous multi-million-dollar businesses. Crypto influencer known as Crypto Beatles, investor, philanthropist, and his success comes from God, team, and his hard work. And, you know, just to stand with him and talk to him, it's a very humbling experience when you realize how humble he really is. And he's a great guy, and to see this whole vision come together, he's helped so many people, and he's helping so many people to get their visions together as well. He's a big part and a big inspiration to me, has been a big inspiration to me in everything I'm doing, and I look forward actually to getting an opportunity to do an interview with him on the channel here before too long, so hopefully you all get a chance to meet him too. You can see the rest of the crew here. I'm not as familiar with as many of these people here. William and Robert Cornish, legal regulatory compliance. We've got Jesus Moreno, blockchain development. This guy down here looks a little familiar. Aaron Beatles. Yeah, let's see here. Meet the advisors. You guys can go through monarchwallet.com and check this out at your own leisure. As a matter of fact, I recommend that you do. Please do your own research. The Monarch platform is being developed in partnership with Splash Factory, the ultimate DevOps blockchain agency. Splash Factory team represents a perfect blend of blockchain expertise, creativity, and innovation. I wanted to play this video for you right here. I'm not going to be able to do that. I will go ahead. Well, if you go ahead and go to the website, you can just scroll down to the bottom and listen to it yourself. It's a great opportunity to hear his vision and where they stand with it right now. I was trying to get it to work for copyright purposes and things. I don't want to put it up there and end up getting flagged for copyright infringement, whatever. But he does a really great job of explaining everything, and I recommend that you come here and take a listen to what he has to say. So that's a little bit about the Monarch wallet today. Let's see here real quickly. I kind of did this with the Abra wallet yesterday. Give me 1 second here, guys. Monarch wallet. Once you get into the Monarch wallet, it looks something like this. You can see, and across the top here, we've got our buy, sell, earn, swap. See all the different buttons there. Pay. That's where you would, buy your Bitcoin, or you can earn your interest. Swap out, it would be the exchange. Pay would be your Monarch Pay for making payments and things. I don't have much in this particular wallet. Again, for security purposes, I like to not necessarily display my personal private information on YouTube and on the internet. I'm sure you can understand, but you can see the wallet and what it looks like right there. If I go over to and I hit the button right here that says earn, hit the earn button. It says here see rates. Click see rates, and then you can actually see the different interest rates that they're giving you on the different cryptocurrencies that you keep in your wallet, which are really cool. I took this and I showed it to my banker, and when my banker saw 8.5% on stable coins, he couldn't believe what he was seeing. It looks like it's 8.2 today, but it was 8.5 a couple of days ago. The rates do vary a little bit. They do go up and down, but yeah, needless to say, my banker was a little bit surprised to see those kind of rates. When I asked him how much I was getting on my savings account, he told me 0.01%. I had very politely and respectfully asked him, why do I need his bank to store my money? Why do I need to pay his bank a fee to store my money when I can receive 8.5% interest using my Monarch wallet? Anyway, he didn't really have an answer for that. He was pretty impressed with the interest that I was earning. So having said that, I think I'm going to go ahead and close this up now, guys. I don't want this to be too long. I hope you all have had a wonderful day, a wonderful evening. I hope you understand a little bit more about Monarch Wallet. Oh, yeah, there was one other thing. Hold on 1 second here. If you wanted to send some Bitcoin, if you wanted to send some Bitcoin to your Monarch Wallet, you would simply just click on the Bitcoin link, and it will take you into this page right here. On this page right here, you have the send. The send button would be if you wanted to send money or Bitcoin to somebody else, or to an exchange, or to another wallet. The next button would be to receive. And to receive Bitcoin, if you push the receive button, you'll get a code that looks like that. And you will also get this big long number down here at the bottom. And that number at the bottom is the Bitcoin wallet. I know I'm shaking a little bit here, guys. Sorry about that. Try to hold this as still as possible. But that is my Bitcoin, one of my Bitcoin addresses. If anybody wanted to, they could actually send a donation there. Not that you have to, but that is a Bitcoin address, and that's what they look like. And you find that within Monarch by pushing this little four square button right there. If you wanted to buy Bitcoin, you could just simply hit the buy button, and then from the buy button, you would decide if you wanted to buy it from your bank account or from your credit card, which one. Of course, you've attached your credit card or your bank account to the wallet by this time. So then when you go ahead and you click that, it'll when you click buy Bitcoin, it'll bring you to this screen. You put in how much you want to buy. I'll say like $100. You would just hit the next button down here at the bottom, and it would go ahead and take you through the process of purchasing Bitcoin. So that's how that works. I think that covers it. I hope you all enjoy this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful evening. Thank you very much for being here this evening. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.